Assalamu alaikum. Last class we did this 3D array. Okay, today we are going to talking about geometry subtraction process and geometry multiple geometry union process. Okay, so let's do it. Just close this window and create a new window, new interface. First of all, create a surface, create a geometry. Say just right click on this options, let's click these options, say rectangle, or can be a rectangle, can be first rectangle or cube, the length, width, length and height. Okay, so this is the cube. I just connect this cube with length and height with slider. Right click on this graph interface, say slider, number slider, say width, height, length and height. Increase this number for a moment. Now create a sphere. Click these options and write it, say sphere, say by center point radius geometry sphere. If we hide this, we can show this is sphere. Actually, I have to move this sphere from this cube. Okay. After that, we will see this is sphere. For that, just create a point. Point by coordinates, and just create a slider, x-axis. Okay, just connect this center point and remove, increase this slider. You can see with point sphere also move this x direction. If we increase this radius, just create a slider, increase this radius. Okay, for now this is sphere interlock with this cube. Now we have to create a subtraction process and union process. If we subtract both these geometry, so first select a node, say subtraction, actually this is the if you set create write on options subtraction, this is the difference is the alternate of subtraction, difference all and difference is the surface subtraction and difference all is solid subtraction. We have to select and difference all, just click it. And now if we connect this cube to this solid and sphere to this other, there is another geometry create in this section. If we how to first we don't see this geometry in this area, I have to hide this cube and and hide this sphere. As you see, there is a new form created from this two object, geometrical object, and subtraction process will done from this solid difference solve. If we connect these others to this cuboid to others and sphere solid, after that this subtraction of the sphere is created. So there is a both way to subtract from two geometry each other from this node. And now I just hide this geometry and unhide this geometry cuboid and sphere. Now we have to after this subtraction subtraction process, now we create we will create a union process. To do that, so just search this option, to write this option, say union. There is a multiple union options in this library section. Note, union node, we have to select by union solid. Okay, by union solid. If we connect this solid to this solid by union, and not this solid by union, actually let's disconnect this, not this one. Solid by union, this one should be the right node for these two geometry. If we connect the cuboid to solid and also sphere to solid, the both geometry will add each other. I just hide this cuboid. As you see, the both geometry will add each other. Okay, attach this each other. This is the right node, solid union, for these two geometry. Okay, if we add a multiple geometry, just if we add multiple geometry, place preview and just move this geometry, subtraction geometry, from this main object. So translate solid geometry slider. I just connect this Y section. Connect this slider to this X direction. Now if we connect this new geometry, which is already removed from this main object, is the another moving object. So if we can create a list list create 1 2 3. If we connect this cuboid, sphere, and this new geometry. Now if we create this node by union and connect this list, after that just hide this, the main source object, preview, and also this one, as you see, and also this one. This is the main multiple three geometry, which is we already create, then union this from this object. How that's how we create add multiple geometry to add connect each other. And if we hide this from now and just unhide this subtraction, and this is the subtraction geometry from the main source object. Okay, so that's it for today. We will see in next video tutorial. Okay, thank you, bye, take care.